everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I am bringing back my Beauty Squad unboxings. Now they were really kind to send me their Beauty Squad box. We're gonna see what is inside. I'm gonna leave their website link down below in the description bar, as well as my discount code. So if you guys decide to go ahead, the links, the discount codes, everything is there for you. So if you guys have watched my previous videos, you guys would know that I think that these packages are honestly so well worth it and are so worth the price point, because I mean, it's a lot of product for a small amount of money, which is crazy. So let's get into unboxing. So first we have a Pink Cosmetics Shower Fizz Steamer. Ooh, love that. So like it's a bath bomb, but like, oh, it smells so nice. It's like a bath bomb, but for when you wanna be in the shower. You know, we like that vibes. Then we have an Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Deep Moisture Water Mask. This is what it looks like. Okay, then we have a BX Cosmetics Slim Eye Pencil. This is a high definition liner. This is in the shade brown. Ooh, we have a cool mermaid brush. Multi-chrome mermaid angled brush. Perfect for the eyebrows. And then we have a Creative Glamour lipstick. This looks like a red. Love that. We have a Marine Care eye cream from Hamish. I love Hamish products. So this is like a little sample size. And lastly, we have a Smart Eyes and Cheeks palette from Kiko Milano. Ooh, this looks really nice. Oh my goodness, this looks really bomb. Also comes with a mirror. How sleek is this? So it has a blush, almost like a highlighter, and like eye shades as well. Wow, this looks so nice. I love it. I love it so much. This packaging though, everything. Okay, so there are 7 items, one being a palette, one being a face mask, so many various items. Now, this is how the products work. So it's a minimum of 5 products per box. Monthly, you pay 400 Rand. If you had to pay for a 2-month subscription, you pay 760 Rand. And if you pay for a 3-month subscription, that is 1050 Rand. So honestly, I feel like the contents of this box would be more than what you're actually paying monthly. So I feel like it's quite a decently priced subscription box. And it's locally here in South Africa, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm going to share with you guys some of the box items that I have been using, that I received in the last couple of months. The first one is this BX Cosmetics eyeliner. I'm using it today and it's quite a decent eyeliner. I think I got it in last month's box, which is quite nice. And then I also have been using the Beauscience Eye Rescue Gel, which I got in a previous box as well. And then I haven't tried this yet, but I really want to try out this anti-age care cleansing gel from Beauscience. It has some really nice essential oils in here. So they've actually sent like amazing products in the last 2 boxes. These are just things that I've tried and I loved and things I want to try. But it's definitely value for money. And honestly, the last 2 boxes that I received in January and Feb was so nice. Like they had a Valentine's Day theme like last month for February, because it was the month of love, and they had like essential massage oil. And if you guys watch my stories on Instagram, y'all know that unboxing was life. Okay, it was life. So it was such a nice package to receive, and I highly commend the Beauty Squad team for making these boxes like so affordable and yet including some of the most amazing products in here. Like this Kiko Milano palette, I mean, they have put out some really amazing stuff like in their boxes, but this definitely is one of the boxes that I absolutely say is like the bomb diggity. Like you get skincare, you get body care, you get brushes, you get liners, you get lipsticks, you get samples to try out, which I think is absolutely amazing. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. Honestly, I really like this month's box. I really like it. And I've been loving the boxes from January and Feb. They were absolutely like amazing. So I will go ahead and leave the website down below in the description bar. You can go ahead and have a look at the site, and you can use my discount code if you do decide to save some randellas. That is it from me, you guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.